Welcome to FaxLab AI video series. And today we are solving one of the biggest productivity drains in corporate life. Manual meeting, not talking. Studies show professionals spend an average of 23 minutes writing up notes after every meeting. If you if you have 5 meetings a week, that's 2 hours of pure admin work every single week. Fireflies AI eliminates this completely. Let me show you exactly how. Let's get Fireflies.ai set up. Open your browser and go to the Fireflies.ai website. Click sign up and you can create your account using either your Google or Microsoft account. The sign up process only takes a minute. After signing in, Firefiles will ask you to connect your calendar. If you use Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook Calendar, simply authorize the connection. Once connected, Firefiles can automatically detect all of your upcoming meetings. Now enable the auto join meetings option. This is one of Firefile's most powerful features. From this point forward, the Firefiles note taker will automatically join every supported meeting on your calendar. Record the conversation, generate a transcript, and create AI powered meeting notes without you having to remember anything. If you don't want Firefiles to join every meeting automatically, you can also add it manually whenever you need it. Simply invite notetaker.fireflies.ai as a participant to your Zoom or Microsoft Team meeting, and Firefiles will join as your AI meeting assistant to capture the discussion and generates notes. And that's it. Your Firefiles.ai account is now fully configured and ready to capture every important conversation automatically. Now let's look at Firefiles in action. Here's a completed 45-minute product strategy meeting that was automatically recorded by Firefiles. Instead of listening to the entire meeting again, everything is already organized for us. First, let's open the transcript app. Firefiles capture every word spoken during the meeting and automatically identifies each speaker. Every sentences is timestamped, making it easy to jump directly to any part of the conversation. For example, here an entry. If I click this timestamp, her files immediately plays the recording from that exact moment. That makes reviewing important discussions incredible fast. Instead of manually taking notes during the meeting, you can stay fully engaged in the conversation while Firefiles records everything accurately in the background. Now let's switch over to the AI summary. This is where Firefiles really saves time. At the top, you will find a concise meeting overview, a short summary that explains the main purpose of the discussion in just a few sentences. Next are the key decisions. Instead of searching through an hour-long transcript, Firefiles automatically lists every important discussion made during the meeting. Below the Below that are the action items, each task assigned to the appropriate team member whenever possible, along with any deadlines or commitment mentioned during the discussion. This makes project follow much easier. Finally, Firefiles identifies open questions, topics that still require clarification or follow-up in future meetings. Think about how much time this saves. Writing meetings notes like these manually could easily take 30 to 45 minutes after every meeting. Firefiles generates this complete summary in just a few seconds. One of my favorite features is Smart Search. Instead of remembering which meeting something was discussed in, I can simply search for a keyword. For example, I will search pricing strategy. Instantly, Firefly searches across all my previous meetings and finds every conversation where pricing was mentioned. Each result includes the meeting, the exact terms, and the relevant section of the transcript. I can jump directly to that moment with a single click. This is incredibly useful for project review, client conversation, compliance requirements, and due diligence because every important decision is searchable within seconds. And that's what makes Firefly so powerful. It does not just record meetings, It transforms every conversation into searchable knowledge that your entire team can use anytime.
For sales teams, this is where Fireflies AI becomes a real productivity powerhouse. Its CRM auto sign capability. Let's connect Firefiles to HubSpot. Once the integration is enabled, every client meeting is automatically signed to your CRM. After each call, Firefiles automatically saves the complete meeting transcript to the connect record, creates follow-up actions items as HubSpot task, updates the deal with AI-generated meetings, note and key highlights. No more copying notes, updating records, or creating tasks manually. Everything happens automatically in the background. This ensures your CRM always says accurate and up to date, giving your entire sales team across to access to the latest customer conversation. Instead of spending valuable time on administrative work, your sales team can focus on building relationships and closing more deals. On average, sales representatives can save up to 45 minutes every day by automating CRM updates with Fireflies AI. Let's quickly recap what we have explored today. Fireflies AI automatically records your meetings, generates highly accurate transcripts, creates AI-powered summaries, and keeps your CRM updates automatically through seamless integration. Instead of spending valuable time talking notes and updating records manually, you can focus on what really matters, having productive conversations and building stronger customer relationships. The Pro plan, priced at $18 per seat per month, offers advanced AI features, CRM integrations, and collaboration tools. For many teams, the time saved on administrative work can easily cover the subscription cost within the first week. If you would like to experience these productivity benefits yourself, start with the free trial and explore how Firefly AI can streamline your meetings and workflows. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Fireflies AI. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how AI can simplify meeting management and improve team productivity.